Practice is where you make progress on learning specific constructs by working problems at different levels of a learning trajectory. In practice, you get immediate feedback each time you submit a problem. A try, on the other hand, is an assessment on a whole cluster, and you only get feedback when you finish the whole test. This video is about practice. To begin practicing, click on the crossbar of a cluster, such as finding key ratio relationships. Below the cluster, click on the pencil icon, then choose Practice On, and pick the construct you want to work on. You will see a ladder showing the learning trajectory's levels. Remember that for most students, levels get harder as you move up. You can begin on any level. We'll start by clicking on the first level and then click Start Practice. Here's a practice item. Practice items may be multiple choice, multiple select, short answer, true-false, or matching. Once you finish a problem, submit your answer. We answered this problem correctly, so there's a blue check mark. Click Next to go on to the next one. Let's get this one wrong on purpose to see what happens. Click Submit. The orange X tells us that our answer is at least partially incorrect. Part of learning is figuring out what you do and don't understand. So MathMapper allows you to choose Revise, try to improve your incorrect answers, and submit again. Another blue check mark to tell us that we revised the incorrect answer correctly. For any problem, you get 2 chances to revise. Now, if you just can't come up with a way to improve your answer, you can click Reveal to show the correct one. Just remember that if you do this, you can no longer select Revise. When you're working a problem, you can always find the level you're working on in the upper left corner of the practice window. You change levels when you finish all the problems for the level you're working on, and you can change levels anytime you finish any single problem. Click Change Level, click on a new level on the ladder, and then click Next at the lower right. The ladder shows the problems you've already worked. Blue circles represent items you answered correctly, and orange circles represent incorrect answers. And the little dots within each circle remind you how many attempts you made. To finish your practice session, click End Practice in the upper right corner for a summary of this session. There you can review any of the problems you worked. Click a circle, and then View Question. Then close the question panel to return to your practice summary. If you click Go to My Report, the practice report here also shows the questions you worked, as well as your success score, your percent correct, and the Worked Problems Index, which reflects the number of problems you worked and their level of difficulty. Finally, you can return to the map by clicking the map pointer icon in the left sidebar.